Alright, what's up, y'all? It's 202 Wing, and it's 202 snowing. But now, we over here on Richie Road. I wanted some pizza, but I ain't want to go to no, like, I ain't trying to go to no chain, and I'm not trying to go to Manny's and Ogres. You know what I'm saying? I want to try something new and good and fresh. Long story short, I looked it up. I'm like, man, let me try this joint. And for real, I drive past this joint. You ever see a place that you drive past like that? I wonder if they good or not. You know what I'm saying? So, with that being said, oh damn, I almost forgot I was on the phone. With that being said, we about to try some of their pizza. It's a little mom and pop type joint. So, we're gonna see what this joint about. Woo, that joint look good. And it smell good. Dad, y'all about to have yourself a regular customer.
You want to put that video on the TikTok again?
Huh?
You want to put that video on the TikTok again?
I gotta get my cheese on this joint. And then I'm gonna put some red peppers on this joint. So, his name Kenny, found that out. Seemed like a cool dude. He said don't put it on YouTube or TikTok. Be having them, they probably already own the joint and all of that. If they renting it out, I know they be ahead in rent, so they probably don't want no extra, be making 15, trying to make 15 pieces for the Super Bowl and shit. But if this shit good, I'm coming the fuck back. It already looked good. This the tea I ended up getting. Y'all ever had this junk? So all of my animals are here. First, let's try this Sweet Joe's tea that was $3. I'm gonna figure out where they sell these at for the regular price, because you know they gotta overprice them at them jumps. Get off my pizza box. It's cool. Let's try the pizza. Yeah. I gotta get a cat's sausage. They got some big sausages. That's why I got a topping, so y'all can eat this. Damn, cats. But the pizza and the sauce is good, so. My bad, I'm recording too. Me viewing this pizza. All my animals are here. My 3 cats and a dog. Show yourself, mama. Her name is Little Debbie the Moon Pie Dog. But nah, the joint was good. I ain't eat none of the sausage. I don't really be even eating sausage like that. I really got the sausage for the animals. Like, not even being funny. I definitely got the sausage for the animals, but it's good. I just don't like, I don't know, it look like some type of, I don't know. I just don't like those type of looking sausages. I ain't don't like how it really necessarily smells, but I'm one of those type of eaters. Either way, I was gonna give the toppings to my animals anyway, and that's what I'm doing. I'm about to eat my third and last piece. For now, I'm going out later. This is my first meal of the day. I gotta stop doing that. For breakfast, I only had a smoothie. So that's not. I mean, I gotta. You know what I'm saying? I gotta stop doing that. I swear to God. Yeah. Everybody take y'all piece. Think fresh in these joints. But it's thin crust. Fresh. And when you heat it up, it ain't gonna be weird. You know? Damn. So, cool little junk if you in the area. It ain't far from FedEx Field. It's not really far from Eastern Avenue. So, if you ever just in that area, you never know. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. Try it out.